What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and this video was originally intended to be sponsored, but things fell through, unfortunately. Though it's a pretty cool modern desk setup, so I figured I'd show you anyway. This setup is pretty clean and mainly geared towards students or people with everyday tasks that want somewhat of a showcase setup or an upgrade to an existing one. At the base of everything, we have an IKEA desk combo including two Alex drawer units and a 74-inch Carlby countertop, which provides quite a bit of space here. We also have a modern swivel chair here from IKEA, which looks great, and links to everything mentioned in this video will be in the description below. At the heart of it all, we have HP's Pavilion all-in-one 27-inch PC. This thing is super sleek with design and functionality, but also packs some power for light productivity tasks. The design itself is pretty minimal, modern and slim, and it also features plenty of I/O on the backside, including USB 3.1 Type-C ports, USB 3.1 ports, an SD card reader, Ethernet, HDMI outputs, and a headphone jack. There are several different configurations of this all-in-one, but the one that we're showcasing here specifically features a 27-inch IPS touchscreen display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440, Intel's 6-core 8700T processor, an NVIDIA GTX 1050 with 4GB of VRAM for the graphics card, and 256GB of PCIe NVMe SSD storage, along with 2TB of hard drive space and 16GB of RAM. The slim bezel display here goes a long way and looks great as well, and hides away a full HD webcam behind the top side of the display, which is nice so you don't always have that sticking out. But along with that, there are also dual front-facing speakers, which is nice to have on a computer like this, and they are pretty loud. And overall, this is a good machine. It's not something that I would use on the daily just because it just doesn't pack enough power for me, but there are so many people out there that could benefit from having a computer like this, like I said, especially students. And all of that is supported on top of a sleek black metal riser from Satechi. I have a few other decorations laid out on the desk as well, and some of my favorite open back headphones here from LASMEX on top of an Elago headphone stand. I've also got a pretty clean leather mouse pad here from Nomad, and boy does this thing just look awesome all around. Now, of course, running along the backside of the desk is a LIFX light strip, which adds a bit of color into the mix here, and overall just looks great. I mean, there's not much else to say about this setup here, but that's the beauty of it. I mean, it's simple, it's clean, and you may not be playing the most demanding game titles here or editing massive 4K video files, but for the everyday person or student that needs a solid PC and a very clean desk setup, this one is perfect. But let me know your thoughts on this setup in the comments section below, and be sure to leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also be sure to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.